how to change your channel profile color on Twitch PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to Twitch, this is the home page, go to the top corner, click here and go down, click on settings. As you can see, after you click on settings, now all what you have to do is so simple. Just go here and click here on channel and videos. After you click on it, now all what you have to do is go here and click on this brand new here. After you click on brand, now scroll down, you will find this profile accent color. Now choose the color that you want from here. As you can see, for example, I'm gonna choose blue and click save changes. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.